Good morning, class 10th student. Today we're going to continue with the fourth chapter, carbon and its compound. And in our this topic, we're going to study about ethanoic acid. Chemical formula of ethanoic acid is CH3COOH. Chemical name ethanoic acid and common name is acetic acid. It belongs to carboxylic acid group, that is the main functional group that we had learned in our previous video, in which if you take carboxylic acid 5 to 8% with water, that means 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid in water, then that solution is called as vinegar. Vinegar that we use in Chinese or we even use in pickles to preserve it. Hence, it is a preservative. Used as preservative in pickles. खट्टी खट्टी सी चीज़ जो अचार में लगती है, एक खट्टा सा सॉल्यूशन, या आप ये कह सकते हो कि जो चाइनीज़ में एक पानी की तरह ट्रांसपेरेंट सॉल्यूशन आपको मिलता है, वो कहलाया जाता है विनेगर. एंड विनेगर का केमिकल फॉर्मूला है CH3COOH. दैट मीन्स इथेनॉइक एसिड. इथेनॉइक एसिड का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट MP है 290 केल्विन और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है 391 केल्विन. मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ इथेनॉइक एसिड इज़ वेरी लेस. इसलिए कई ऐसी ठंड की कंट्रीज़ जहाँ पे विंटर बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ता है, उन कोल्ड कंट्रीज़ में, कोल्ड क्लाइमेट में ये जम जाता है बर्फ़ की तरह. एज MP, that means melting point of ethanoic acid is 290 Kelvin, often it freezes during winter in cold countries, and that is called as glacial acetic acid, okay, or glacial acid. The main reaction in ethanoic acid is, the first one is your esterification. Esterification is a process in which ester is being formed. ये एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें एक इथेनॉल को इथेनॉइक एसिड के साथ हम रिएक्ट कराते हैं तो एक न्यू फंक्शनल ग्रुप बनता है जिसे हम कहते हैं ईस्टर. आई एम टेकिंग एन एग्जाम्पल विथ इथेनॉइक एसिड CH3COOH plus C2H5OH. Ethanoic acid reacts with ethanol, gives you CH3COOC2H5. This group, COO group, is called as ester. Along with it, it releases water. Okay, so this is basically a functional group, which is a new functional group that you're going to learn in your higher classes. But right now, what is ester? Ester is a sweet smelling substance used in perfumes and in flavoring agents. It's a very sweet smelling compound which is basically used in cake companies and cookies to make it sweet along with it. If you treat this ester, if this is treated with sodium hydroxide, the ester is converted back into alcohol and sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This process in which salt is being prepared and alcohol is getting back is called as saponification. Saponification is a process of making soap. Okay, this is what you called as preparation of soap. This is a soap of sodium or potassium salt. Mostly जैसे if you react this ester with sodium hydroxide तो it will form carboxylic acid of sodium salt. पर यदि यही चीज़ आप सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड ना लेके पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड लेते तो ये सोप बनता पोटेशियम सॉल्ट का. तो सोप्स आर द सोडियम और पोटेशियम सॉल्ट्स ऑफ लॉन्ग चेन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. ये जो सोप का फॉर्मेशन होता है वो इसी वजह से ही बनता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर टेकिंग CH3COOC2H5. This is actually your ester. Ester when reacts with NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, it will back give you ethyl alcohol, that is C2H5OH, and CH3COONA. This is called sodium carboxylic compound, which is your soap. ये क्या बन जाता है, सोप बन जाता है। ठीक है। सेकेंड रिएक्शन है दैट इज रिएक्शन विथ बेस। दिस इज व्हेन सिंपली यू आर टेकिंग इथेनॉइक एसिड दैट इज CH3COOH when reacts with NaOH it gives you CH3COONA plus H2O. Again what you are getting? Again you are getting soap. This is the chemical formula of soap. Again if you take simple ethanoic acid also react with sodium hydroxide, so it will again give you soap. This is called sodium ethanoate. Third reaction, reaction with carbonate and hydrogen carbonate. First CH3COOH that is ethanoic acid reacts with Na2CO3 that is sodium carbonate, gives you CH3COONA plus water plus carbon dioxide. So this is another example where you are reacting sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate with ethanoic acid. So again you are getting sodium ethanoate, and sodium ethanoate which is being formed CH3COONA is a formula of soap. Last reaction CH3COOH when reacts with NaHCO3 that means sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is also called as sodium bicarbonate is called what it will form? Again it will form sodium ethanoate that is CH3COONA. This is the formula of soap plus water and carbon dioxide. So in most of the reaction what you find that whenever a simple ethanoic acid or a ester reacts with sodium salt, it will always give you soap. It will always give you soap that is CH3COONA. So basically this is a general relation where you get the formula, melting point, how this is used in your daily life. The most important reaction is esterification. If you reverse esterification, it will become saponification. Esterification means a reaction in which ester is formed. Saponification is a reaction in which soap is being formed. So this is basically a general concept about ethanoic acid, and in your next video we are going to take the last portion of this chapter and complete it. Okay, so please note it down this thing.